Wanna know how to fix PUBG Mobile character not loading? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can fix it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, simply open up PUBG Mobile. Now, once you've opened up PUBG Mobile, just simply hit towards its downloads. That should be right here. Now, make sure you are under outfits, so this should be right here. So once you're under outfits, here you should be seeing newest, recent, classic and mine. So if it is not downloaded, here you can just simply select download, and that's it. Next thing is you can just simply restart your application, hit towards your inventory and make sure that the outfits or the characters are downloaded. Not downloaded should show like this. And if it still doesn't work, you can just simply reinstall your PUBG Mobile or clear out its cache. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.